Naveen! How is the Josh? Hi, sir! How is the Josh? Hi, sir! I said, how is the Josh? Hi, sir!
You feel that you have not been able to do well in lecturate also, group discussion also. You could not add the value points. You
Yes, sir.
spoke when required, you spoke well, but you could not add value points.
Yes, sir.
You could not give facts and figures which one should give.
Yes, sir.
No problem. One has to develop a habit. And anything which has gone. It cannot be undone. Now look forward for the target, look forward for your aim, prepare well and hit the target. That you should have. Okay? Fine.
Yes, sir.
And you have stayed throughout in Rishikesh, or you have stayed with your father also.
No, sir. I have stayed throughout in Rishikesh only.
Okay, fine. You have not been to any military station,
No, sir.
even for 10 days leave or nothing like that.
No, sir. Never.
You should have. And your brother who spoke to me, Kailash, I think Kailash was his name, na?
Yes, sir.
He is in which regiment?
Sir, 139 medium artillery.
And other one?
Sir, one is in 235 engineers regiment and one is in 68 armored.
Achha, they are three brothers, all three in army.
Yes, sir.
Those all three are real brothers.
Sir, two are real brothers and one is also son of another Mosji.
Okay, good. Fine. Now let me see what you have performed. I'll keep asking question. You are free to ask any question at any time. Ask your doubt. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing the screen now. Good height, 178 is a very good height. 65 kg weight is good. You can reduce by another, at least another 4 kgs.
Okay, sir.
Obviously, you appear to be very slim, undoubtedly. First time you have gone and you got screened out.
No, sir, in my second SSB, I got screened out.
Okay. Where it was?
Sir, in 34 SSB Allahabad.
And after that?
Sir, then I had a 31 SSB Kapurthala, in which that was my last SSB, in which I got conference out.
Okay. You have got the fresh date for SSB?
Yes, sir, I have got. Yesterday only I got.
What is the date?
Sir, 5 October.
Okay, 5th October. Good.
Yes.
You have got good time to prepare.
Yes, sir.
Where is the headquarter of FIDE?
Yes, sir.
Where is the headquarter of FIDE?
3 days?
What is FIDE?
Sir,
What is the international organization for the chess?
sorry, sir, I don't know.
You have claimed that you are a chess player.
Yes, sir, it's just a hobby for me. I'm not playing it very seriously.
Then don't write.
Okay.
Because a person like me who will read, he will see you are a serious chess player.
Okay, sir.
And you don't know FIDE's headquarter also. FIDE is the international organization for the chess. Cricket, won inter-house competition twice. You are a bowler or batsman?
Sir, batsman.
Which number?
Sir, opener.
Okay. I also play cricket and I opened bowling and batting for my house. Okay. And batting for my school also. Who is your favorite batsman?
Sir, Rishabh Pant.
Rishabh Pant, no? He's the same person who's a wicketkeeper also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In how many ways a batsman can be given out?
Sir, by LBW, by catch out, by clean bowled, by run out, by
Yes.
stumps.
First, you tell me number 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many ways it can be given out?
Sir, 5 ways.
Come on. It is 10 ways. It is 10 ways. Okay, football. This year, go down there. This year, India has lost two legendary players, football players. Can you name them?
No, sir, I don't know about them.
You don't know about chess, you don't know about football, you don't know about cricket. You are very lucky you are reaching to conference. Reading novels. Which is the last novel you have read?
Sir, The Unending Game.
Written by?
Sir, former Raw Chief Vikram Sood, sir.
Name the novel again.
Sir, The Unending Game.
Okay. The Unending Game. What is the theme?
Sir, it is based on how spies work, about the Cold War, what were the role of spies during the time of Cold War, and how America set a narrative that today still we consider it a great country, even though it had done a great blunders in history.
What blunder they have done?
So like they supported terrorism, they were the one who gave rise to Taliban, and then due to because of their bad relations with Russia, many countries had to face.
You are talking about US.
Yes, sir, US.
And former Raw Chief, what is the name?
Sir, Vikram Sood.
Vikram Sood. Okay. See, there are gaps in your knowledge. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आप गहराई में नहीं जाते हो बेटा. आप चेस के बारे में लिखते हो और अभी मैं चेस के बारे में आपसे और भी क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. दिक्कत है आपको.
Yes, sir.
Academic record is good. 88.2, 88.4 is a good record. Can you see this picture?
Yes, sir.
Read your story.
Sheetal was a first year BSc student of GEU College in Dehradun. Her father was a farmer. In her college, she got
Then,
to know about the
Google.
In her college, she got to know about different government schemes which help farmers. She went home and researched about them and wrote down all details. She told about them to her father, and he was happy to know them. She then called a meeting with other farmers on Sunday. She took help from her friend and prepared a chart and wrote about the schemes in a creative way to make them understandable to farmers. On the decided day, she explained the schemes to all the farmers, told about their benefits, and told the way they can access them. Everyone became happy, and later Sheetal helped all farmers to get the benefits of the scheme.
Where are farmers?
Sir, I considered those people who are like standing behind here. I considered them farmers.
Where? Where standing?
Sir,
This one?
sir, opposite to this girl who is showing that uh,
There are
chart.
there all are girls. Your story is not matching the picture. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
I feel your story not matching the picture.
Yes, sir.
Then it is not sounding practical also. Who will gather? She has first year BSc student means she has just done her 12th.
Yes,
A
sir.
person like you, वो गांव में कौन उसके सुनने से आएगा? What authority he has got? What experience he has got? Your story has to be logical and practical.
Yes, sir.
It would have been better had you written a story on women empowerment. Okay, see the second picture.
Yes, sir.
Everybody GU College Dehradun. ये भी GU Dehradun है. You cannot think of any other college.
Sir, since I'm studying in the same college, so I thought it will be better to write the same college.
But every story you should write something new.
Okay, sir, I will amend it.
Read your story.
Okay. Rahul was a third year BSc student of GU College Dehradun. His end semester exams were about to held. He had already completed his syllabus, but he boosted his preparation. He prepared a timetable, devoted time to each subject. He revised his notes and highlighted important points. On every Sunday, he solved previous year papers with proper timing, analyzed his answers, and improved his weak chapters. He gave his exams and secured good marks. Later, he went to his convocation ceremony and happily attained his degree.
You know when convocation ceremony takes place?
Sir, after the attainment of, after completion of exams, when results are declared.
Yes, no, but convocation ceremony takes place at least 6 to 8 months after you pass out from there. डिग्री आने में बहुत टाइम लगता है बेटा. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You should have good imagination. क्यों आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया कभी कॉलेज के इस फंक्शन के एडम अरेंजमेंट में, बंदोबस्त में, स्टेज अरेंजमेंट में? बताओ.
No, sir, not in stage arrangement.
गेस्ट को रिसीव करने में?
No, sir. Sir, I have participated in some drama during my school days.
Yes.
But not in that arrangement thing.
Okay. इसलिए आपको पता नहीं, क्योंकि अभी कॉलेज तो आप जस्ट गए ही होगे या गए भी नहीं हो अभी. बट यू आर इन बीएससी पार्ट 1.
Yes, sir.
ये बेटे, ये वाली सेरेमनी जब तुम पास आउट भी हो जाते हो, बहुत सारे लोगों की प्लेसमेंट हो जाती हैं, या कोई पीजी कर रहा है या कोई आईएमए एनडी चला जाता है, तो डिग्रियां तो उसके बाद मिलती हैं. शायद आपको पता ही नहीं था. योर इमेजिनेशन हैज टू बी बेटर. सम सोल्जर काइंड ऑफ पीपल क्लाइंबिंग.
Yes, sir.
प्लीज अगेन, तुम्हारा कॉलेज वही चल रहा है ना? ओके, यू डिडंट नो, दैट्स व्हाई यू कुड राइट. या रीड द स्टोरी.
Ishan was a first year BSc student of GE College Dehradun. He was an NCC cadet. He did his NCC drills and learned many things. He had an interest in mountaineering, so he learnt about mountaineering wholeheartedly. Once he had to go on an NCC camp for mountaineering. He got thrilled and went to camp. He executed the techniques which he learnt during his lectures. He also supported and helped his fellow cadets to climb up. He climbed the mountain and felt great and enjoyed it a lot.
What is the achievement in this story?
Sir, that he climbed the mountain.
थोड़ा और अच्छा अचीवमेंट होना चाहिए था. This is too less. You have been an NCC cadet?
No, sir.
ये कहानी कैसे पता लगी?
Sir, I have been in touch with some people who were in NCC.
उनमें से कोई माउंटेनिंग में गया था?
Yes, sir, they went for a small camp. That was not a very big mountain, but yes, sir, they did it.
This is the accident site.
Yes, sir.
Read your story.
Ayush was an 18-year-old boy residing in Rishikesh. One evening, while he was returning to his home with his friends from playground, he saw a collision car and a horse cart. He immediately ran towards them. He helped the car driver and Tonga driver and its passenger to get up and with the help of his friend took them to a nearby shed. He asked his friend to bring first aid from nearby shop. Meanwhile, he called an ambulance and vet service. His friend brought the first aid kit. Rahul applied the bandage in the bruises of the injured. Later, the ambulance came and took them to hospital. The vet service also gave medication to the horse. Ayush and his friends then went to their home.
You started very well. In the end, you should have accompanied the injured people up to hospital.
Okay, sir.
But still, this was much better story than rest of the stories, let me tell you. Okay, read your words.
First word is hobby. My response is good hobbies enhance personality.
You had a chance, you could have written chess is a good hobby. Since you play chess. सेंटेंस में कमी नहीं है, पर थोड़ा अपने PIQ फॉर्म से भी कोरिलेट करना बहुत जरूरी है बेटे. डार्क.
Light overpowers darkness.
Okay, good. Next.
Desire. Desire to win compels one to work hard.
Read next.
Yes, sir. Enemy. Affection turns enemy into friend. Then failure. A stepping stone to success.
Okay.
The tree. Planting trees beautifies environment. Then moral. Good moral values enhance character. Sharp. Sharp-minded people are liked by all. Worthy. Indian athletes are worthy to achieve great success in Tokyo Olympics. Pandemic. Speeding up vaccination help us to conquer over COVID pandemic.
Okay, सेंटेंस थोड़े बड़े हैं बेटा, इसको हाफ करो.
Okay, sir.
जैसे इसमें कितने वर्ड? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
Yes, sir.
Speedy vaccination conquers COVID. है ना?
Yes, sir.
यही तो कहना चाह रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
वर्ड कम करो, है ना?
Yes.
Read your situation reaction test.
He is feeling sick and the next day he has to appear for his final exam. He took some medicines and took rest. Wake up fresh and healthy, gave his exam and secured good score.
How many words?
1, 2, 3, 4, 18.
18 words, and you have got 30 seconds for one situation in which you have to read the situation, think and write. Keep it up to somewhere around 10 words. That will be okay. छोटा लिखना है बेटा. You want to know how to write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 18 words. Okay, I will also convey the same. Took medicine. Did well in exams. क्या समझे?
Yes, sir. I think it implies the same.
It implies same?
Yes, sir.
Did well means he went to exam center, attempted
Yes,
well
sir.
and scored well.
Yes, sir.
इसकी जरूरत नहीं है woke up fresh and healthy. Next.
She was assigned responsibility to conduct an event. One of her lecturers opposed this decision. She politely talked to her, convinced him, and conducted the event successfully.
Politely talk नहीं होता. Convince. इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. Convince him, conducted event successfully. पहले 4 वर्ड्स की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Yes.
One of his friends fell in the lake and he doesn't know how to swim. He grabbed a tree branch, threw it into water. His friend got hold of it, pulled him out, pumped water from his chest, dropped him home.
Pump water from chest and drop home की बजाय जैसे gave him first aid. यही तो है.
Yes, sir.
Gave him first aid ही तो है वो. ऐसे छोटा लिखते बेटे. Yeah. Next.
She got information about a possible raid by dacoits in the village. She informed the police in advance, laid a trap for the dacoits with the police, get them arrested when they came to loot the houses.
कितने वर्ड लिख दिए? Count.
"24."
Is a paragraph यार.
Yes.
बहुत बड़ा लिखा बेटा.
Yes, sir.
इतना लिखने में बहुत दिक्कत है. ओके.
Yes, sir.
अपना ध्यान करो. ऐसा नहीं काम चलता बच्चे. बोले आप पूरा अगर ओके चलो मैं आपसे पूछता हूं. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि आप जब दोनों बार कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट हुए हो आपने शायद 40 एसआरटी क्रॉस नहीं किया होगा.
Sir, not exactly, sir. In my first SSB, I did around 42, and in my second SSB, I did 56 SRT.
56
Because my,
इतना
yes,
लंबा
sir,
लिख
my,
के तो 56 नहीं हो सकता.
sir, I have practiced around 600 SRT, so my writing speed is very fast.
Okay. If you reduce the you okay, I'll put it this way. If you reduce the slightly the size, and by reducing size it will become more effective and you will be able to do 60 out of 60.
Yes, sir.
लोग 60 out of 60 करते हैं बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, self-description. Your parents' opinion about you. My parents consider me a responsible and a dedicated person. They believe in me and ask for my suggestion whenever required. They always ask for my help and appreciate my willingness to do any work. They also give the charge of house to me whenever they go out. They also suggest me to improve my eating habits and eat less fast food.
What is wrong in your eating habits?
Sir, like I eat a lot of fast food, cold drinks, this thing.
Okay, that you can do away with that.
Sir, my teacher's opinion, sir. My teachers consider me a sincere and a disciplined student. They assign me different works and responsibilities and have faith in me that I will do the work wholeheartedly. That they are happy with my participation in sports and literary activities and also suggest me to take part in other activities like dance and music.
Okay.
Sir, my sibling opinion about me. So my sister considered me helpful, responsible, and a jolly person. She always asked for my help in her studies. She believed that I am hardworking and surely will achieve my aim. She also likes my sense of humor and compliments me for it.
Read your strong points and weak points.
Okay. Sir, my strong points are helpful nature, good sense of humor, and honest. Sir, my weak points are a bit emotional, unable to say no, and overthinking.
Where was a situation where you could have said no, and by saying yes, you were in trouble, or you had some loss, suffered some loss?
Sir, there are situations, but I have never suffered a loss. But that's a situation that recently happened was like when I had my NDA exam on 18th April. But one
Okay,
week before, my one of my friends had to go to some audition, dance audition, which was held in Rishikesh only.
okay.
So he asked me to accompany him. My exam was also near, although I had prepared, but I had to do some revisions. But and when I go with him, he said that it will take around 4 to 5 hours, as there were many other things like he had to give auditions and other things waiting. So, but still, I went with him. I can't deny to him that I am not coming.
No, no,
I went.
said, repeat the situation.
Yes, sir. Sir, I had my exam, NDA exam, and
Okay.
around just one week before it, he asked me to accompany him to some audition, a dance audition, which was in Rishikesh. So I couldn't deny, but
And who asked you to go there?
sir, my friend, my best friend.
Okay, okay.
So yes, sir, I went there with him, and it took around 5 to 6 hours when I came back home.
What happened ultimately?
Sir, he was not selected.
What was the result of your exams?
Sir, I cleared my exam. I have cleared my written exam.
Okay, but you thought ki you should not have gone.
Yes, sir, because I think like I should have given that time, as that was very crucial time. So I could have given more time to my studies, revising.
Okay, fine. So you are a wiser man now. Why
Yes,
you
sir.
overthink?
Sir, I overthink like about what will happen in my SSB, what I did wrong, how I'm now overcoming it, and during the SSB tenure also when I'm there, that too I there also I overthink like what my performance was, how the assessor will assess me, these things, sir.
Stop thinking like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ये तो बहुत easy है ना? Now you
Yes, sir.
tell me, which is the best current affairs topic which you have prepared?
Sir, the current going topic in Afghanistan, sir, Taliban issue.
Okay. Tell me what are the important passes between Pakistan and Afghanistan?
Sir, I know only one, that is spin, spin Khurdal, like that.
No? At least one you should be able to tell me, since you said that it is very important. You are very well prepared about Afghanistan issue. Then the passes have got an important role. And I think you should have. There are some important passes, even not only on Pakistan side, even in our Iran side also. When you study a topic, can you tell me Afghanistan shares its boundary with which all countries?
Yes, sir, Pakistan and sir with India also, that is in POK, but we call a part of India only. Then sir above it there is Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan, and sir Iran also it share with country.
One more country is left.
Sir, Tajikistan.
Tajikistan, correct. Yes. What is the present state?
Yes, sir.
What is the present state of affairs in Afghanistan? What is happening on day?
Sir, like there is a terrorist outfit that is that is Taliban, which is trying to overpower democracy and set up their rule. Although they have agreed that they will work as a government only, like they will form a democracy, but still with their actions, like the all over world can see that how they are working. And sir, it is due to the withdrawal of the US forces that the Taliban is getting stronger.
When US troops had come to Afghanistan,
Sir, after the 9/11 attack in America, in 2001 only, USA troops came to Afghanistan.
okay, almost 20 years they have spent there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you feel USA has taken a correct decision?
Not quite, sir. I think it is a bad decision from the US side.
Yes. Okay. On which other topic you can speak well?
Mm.
Okay, speak for 4 minutes on Uttarakhand. It is your state. Take a minute. I'll put my timer.
Okay.
You can see?
Yes, sir.
I put my timer. I want you to speak for 4 minutes on Uttarakhand and take a minute to think over it. When you are ready, you tell me. I'll press the button. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can start now.
Sir, Uttarakhand is a hilly state in the northern part of India. Earlier, it was a part of Uttar Pradesh, but on 9 October 2000, it separated and became an independent state from Uttar Pradesh. Sir, Uttarakhand is also called Devbhumi because of the large number of temples which are here in Uttarakhand. Sir, it is a place with it is a very sacred place because a large number of seeds resides here. And sir, the Kumbh Mela, which is a very great festival for the Hindus, was also held here this year only. And sir, the economy of Uttarakhand mainly depends on tourism, as it is a tourist point. Other than the cultural places, cultural sites, it has also great views because of the hills. Sir, Uttarakhand has given us great gems like the current Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat sir, is also from Uttarakhand. Our national security advisor, Ajit Doval sir, is also from Uttarakhand. And sir, also other gems in the field of industry like the singer Neha Kakkad, she was also from Uttarakhand. So the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun, and it is the summer capital. It is the winter capital. We have two capitals here. The winter capital is Gairsand, where our legislative assembly is located. Sir, the current chief of Uttarakhand is Mr. Pushkar Singh Dhami sir. Sir, in the last 5 years, this is our third chief minister from the same party because of some political turmoil within the party and because of the situations around it. And sir, talking about Dehradun, sir, Dehradun is in the southern part of Uttarakhand. Sir, it is a mixture of a plains and mountain. Dehradun has sir FRI, Forest Research Institute, and also sir Indian Military Academy. It also has the very reputed school that is Rashtriya Indian Military College. And sir, from Dehradun, a lot number of army officers are groomed here in the Indian Military Academy. And also the people of Dehradun join army a lot. And sir, Rishikesh, which is a part of Dehradun, is called the yoga capital of the world because, sir, from 1983, the first week of March has been celebrated as the Yoga Week by the people of Rishikesh. and that has been around 3 decades. And from that, that tradition is being carried on. And it is also a center for a large number of yoga training centers. So a lot number of tourists also visit here to do yoga, to learn yoga, meditation, to know about our culture.
How much?
3 minutes 12 seconds.
Yes. Point is 3 minutes 12 seconds is good enough time. In SSB, you need to speak only about the 3 minutes. But the important thing is how many facts and figure you speak. You should have told about the area of Uttarakhand. You should have told about the boundaries which Uttarakhand shares with other countries and states. You should have told how many districts are there in Uttarakhand. Then Uttarakhand is one of the tourist hub. You should have at least named out at least 15-20 places which are being visited so frequently by tourists, not only from the India, from even outside the world. Then Uttarakhand has got all the Himalayas, Char Dham Yatra, very famous fairs, starting from Kumbh Mela, Hardwar. Then some prominent personality, of course, you spoke about Ajit Doval and General Rawat, but there have been so many people out there. Some sportsmen also you could have named. Some at least outstanding river like Ganges, Yamuna, the Panch Prayag also, Dev Prayag, Son Prayag, Karan Prayag, and all these Prayags you could have said. But there's so many things. Just it is not much that somebody would have studied about Uttarakhand. Even people who know Uttarakhand, they can also speak about at least 1.5 to 2 minutes. You have to increase your knowledge. Your imagination in your stories was not seen. Your imagination need to be improved. Then your stories were not resembling the picture. Lot many things you have to prepare. Okay. Thank you. Take care.
Thanks a lot, sir. Good night.
God bless you. God bless you. I've stopped recording. If you have liked this video, kindly share and subscribe. And in case you have got any queries, kindly post them in the comment box.